क्या जानो पूजा मैम.
Competitive spirit is on the floor. आज तुम्हारा मेरा रिश्ता खत्म.
I'm already done with this shit. Rather don't want to be Bounty Stone next life.
Distracting me. Bokla.
Already dark. Which level my dark you want? 1 hour I only dream about being the center, red carpet, my name is fan autographs. I do this. I do this aimlessly.
Okay. We're gonna go to our next session, that is rapid fire. Let's start it. So, who are we going to start from? You. Yes.
Should I start?
Yeah, you start. Okay.
So the first contestant for the rapid fire round.
You're making it so deep, but contestant.
Okay. First question.
Be rapid, okay? And it has to have a fire.
And fire. How much fire you need? Okay. See, we are so disturbed. Yes.
Okay. Spending a whole day with a loved one and him forgetting you, or staying close to him but him never loving you.
My goodness. Shit. I think the first one.
Spending a
Him
whole
not
day.
loving me? How come? I need
Can't
love.
accept that. Okay. Second
I need
question.
love.
Okay. Being careful with the lipstick while eating, or applying lipstick after eating carefree.
Applying lipstick after eating. Of course. I can't be careful while eating. Food is love.
Yes. Go damn with the lipstick.
Yeah.
Fine. Have you ever kissed a girl?
So, are you mentioning the kiss on the lips or the kiss on the cheek?
Kiss on the lips.
Oh shit, no.
Cheek I have kissed a baby one minute.
Oh no. Haven't.
Pick one physical feature in a guy. Eyes, voice, money.
Money is a physical feature. Can you please be very clear here? Can you remove that money?
Because I'll choose that.
That's one.
Pick one feature then. How the physical.
I already mentioned about height. Next would be voice. Voice matters. I like that husky voice. Guy.
What a saggy shit.
Rapid fire.
Yeah. Okay. Last. Assign each one of us for a particular day out. Amusement park, shopping, movie. Who will you pick up for each?
Amusement park?
Amusement park, shopping, and movie.
Yeah.
Each one for each. Yeah. Not rapid.
Shit. Okay. Shopping, I guess. Movie, because we have very good tonight. That happened. This happened. And amusement park, because she's very silent and so she wants to like dream. So amusement park is, I think, the place where you can calm down and dream.
Shopping me?
Yeah.
Of course, you look this to take this.
Yeah, and she's very 2% salicylic acid twice a day.
AHB mild cleanser. Cleansing soap as well.
Am I done?
Yes.
Oh, that
Nice.
was fire but not rapid. So my comments.
Question. Oh my god.
Now I'm
Okay,
scared.
next two.
Rate our compatibility with you out of 10. Pooja, Nandini, and me.
So I have to rate each one.
Yeah.
Nandini, 10 on 10.
Oh my god.
In terms of everything, Pooja ma'am 9.5. I know she is silent, but I told you she has that introvert saggy, so it's 0.5 difference. You are extrovertedly very easy for me. And Sunita ma'am, I think
Ma'am? Where is
sorry,
the ma'am coming
I don't know why I'm respecting her. That's what it comes when I talk to her. I have a very formal, connection
She's
with her.
like that.
Very perfect kind of person. So I'll rate her 8.5.
Fair enough, because in comparison to the interaction you have with
Yeah.
both of them, it's less with me.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Same stuff.
Yes, next. One Nepali celebrity you want to be friends with.
Guy or girl?
Anyone.
Who's the hottest Nepali subject?
Google. Who's the hottest?
Acha is okay. I think
Rapid fire. This is not rapid.
I think I'll choose a musician, because rather than actors, I think I'll choose musicians. So I'll go with Yabish Thapa.
I don't know who that is.
He's Lakha Hazara singer. So why I chose him? Because I think he'll make me happy by singing. I love music.
Okay.
Nice.
Will you forgive your boyfriend for drunk cheating as it is his only mistake he ever made if he promises to be faithful then on? Will you forgive that?
Okay, see, the problem here is, okay, why are you like digging me in the hole? So the thing is, I definitely won't forgive when my boyfriend cheats on me and he promises not to forgive, like not to repeat it again.
She won't be.
So I won't be forgiving, but I want a guy to forgive me.
Okay, love that answer.
One memory you want to delete forever and why?
Delete your phone.
One memory I want to delete it forever, and why? It's a memory. It's not an imaginatory thing, right?
No, the real
It's a
one.
memory.
Hasta eso les.
I think the moment, like my first crush, I wish I was this extrovert at that time, so I couldn't express my things. Though he liked me, I was very introvert and I just left on the way. So I wish I could change that, so that something could happen.
Okay. What would you prefer to be? A politician or a media personality?
Media personality with expression, full on.
I'll be a
Politician, no.
I'll be a fan like an autograph.
I don't.
Actually, I'll change a little bit. A successful politician or a struggling media personality?
I guess struggling media personality.
Oh my God.
Because I don't want to take shit from everyone. Like we give shit to politicians. Like though they do good, it's easy for us to say. So I think struggling media personality.
Oh, yeah.
I really like that one. I want him to. So explain what is love.
Instead of एक चुटकी सिंदूर, love की कीमत तुम क्या जानो, पूजा मैम.
Again, you said
That's
man.
love is so
Okay.
deep. As you know, the scare cat is at least asking questions. So guys, please support her.
That's fine.
Next.
Okay, next question. Have you ever cheated anyone?
I was like, मेरे पोल की ना खोलती रहा से सब जना ले मेरे पूछने में. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So tell me, which is the best part of your body?
My eyes. I can kill with my eyes.
theory.
Yes, you can see Adai.
Okay.
Tell me favorite song.
My favorite song, I do have many, but for now, Peaches. I got my peaches on the Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I got them in the California.
That's not
that
it.
shit. Okay.
Tell me your height.
I'm actually, guys, 5'7". So anyone 6 feet, do comment.
My IG user is down below.
Yes, I'll link my Instagram IG profile.
5 questions done.
Done.
Next.
Your lab, yeah?
Okay, now both of them are so
Yeah, very loose.
I have to be
Keep it there.
okay.
Okay, next. Shall I start?
Yeah.
Start. What's scarier, dancing in public or speaking in public?
Actually, both. Okay.
Have you ever killed someone in your head? Have you ever killed someone in your head? No. Oh my God, such a nice woman. Would you rather be kissed by your favorite BL actor or be kidnapped by a favorite BL actor?
Being kissed by a favorite BL actor.
Okay, what makes you more impatient? Waiting for a new episode to upload or your fav actors to make a move in a series?
Waiting for the episode.
Makes you more impatient. Fine, last. Who among us you think can cheat on you one day?
Cheat on.
Oh shit.
Actually, I think I will not be cheated, but no one.
But if you think one of us could do, who it would?
Who's more like
Hey guys.
nervous kid?
Are you asking same questions to everyone?
No.
Only that one question I asked you.
Okay, fine.
Let's have
Now whose
you
turn?
two.
Your turn.
That when you're someone touching
Yeah,
your
your
face or
turn.
working on your
Okay, my turn.
I really like that
Actually, I don't
question.
have enough questions. What to do? Oh, only two I like.
Create more.
No, you have to ask five.
From where I'll get it?
Just make random.
Ask God. Yeah.
Okay, let's start with Pujama.
Me? Again.
Yeah. Define yourself in 3 words.
I am silent. I am
Skinny.
honest. And I'm skinny.
My God, I think we two are the haters in this video, interrupting others all the time.
If you had one record, what it would be most likely for?
For being silent.
Being silent for the longest period of time.
I can do.
Okay. If you could go back to school for 1 year, which grade would you choose?
I would choose grade 9
Why?
because that was the best class. I mean to say, I enjoyed grade 9 a lot.
No internet, no BL for 1 year, or no true friendship.
No true friendship.
What? आज तुम्हारा मेरा रिश्ता खत्म.
Because I
She
enjoy.
chose friendship over. So she chose BL over friendship.
Because I want quiet. I want to watch.
तेरे पैर स्टॉल होता था. Okay. On gunpoint, if you are told to have a gay encounter with any one of us, who would you choose?
Okay,
I knew she gonna choose her.
it's a disclaimer. You guys have not.
You know why?
This is not serious.
We just told her.
Yeah.
Oh, so we are rejected because we don't have height?
No. Actually,
You are one kick with the
I was just being honest. That's
Thank you very much. Now next.
Okay, first question for you. If past lives exist, what do you think your past life was? What were you in your past life?
I think I was an owl.
Oh,
I
why?
was an owl because I just like silent nightlife a lot.
Very active at night. Get my
Activate. What we say that perfect word in science? Nocturnal. Okay, so what do you think was your best moment this year? I mean like last year.
2021.
2021. Best moment in 2021.
I passed my bachelor.
If money was no object, what would you buy?
Pardon?
If money was no object, like you can't buy only object, what are the things you want to buy with money? If money was no object.
What are the things? I want to buy people as well.
I knew she would say
Get ready. What would you change about your life if you could?
I would like to express more.
Change my
Expressive.
shyness. I just want to be free.
And guess what? Another question what came in my mind. Do you have any phobias? That's related. Okay, better not to ask this question. Okay, so now we have 2 questions left. Okay, these 2 questions will be a little bit difficult. I mean like categorize top 3 among us. Like put it in order.
Based on what?
Based on anything.
Obviously, you will be the first.
And you
one.
mentioned.
She knew it. Didn't laugh, but they could.
Because I'm not so close with her, so she'll be the second and she'll
Fine. Okay, and now last question is pretty easy. What do you find the most interesting thing in me? That you are still being my friend. Okay.
Actually, sometimes I find you funny. Sometimes I find you understanding.
Why you like this
I
kid?
find you
हाथ का
everything is there in you.
Everything is there. It looks like.
Okay, so everything is there, but still, why am I single?
I wish I was a boy.
Okay, fine. Okay, done. Good one.
Let's wrap up this. Okay.
Now wrapping the session. Have you ever stepped on someone to climb up?
To climb up? No, never.
This is the nice.
But in my head, I have, not in action.
This is my favorite. Okay. Dating Seokjin for a day or getting to watch 18 plus male film live on the sets for a day.
No, Seokjin any day. By the way, that's BTS
That
any day.
dedicated lover. What's more tolerable? Someone touching your face with dirty hands or someone climbing on your bed with dirty feet?
Someone touching my face. I don't like people touching my face.
Who among us you think has leadership qualities?
Leadership quality. I think Jisoo have the leadership quality among us.
Okay.
Yeah. If she's interested.
Okay.
That is the caution. Last one. I think it's similar which I gave to her. Assign each one of us for a particular day. Amusement park, shopping and movies.
Amusement park, shopping and movies. I think for shopping I'll go with her. For amusement park I'll go with you. And for the movie date I'll go with her.
Okay.
Do I have to explain why?
Ah yes.
Because for shopping things she's not going to talk a lot. She's just not, is this okay? It's like, okay,
She
it's
let
fine.
her boss around.
Yes. And then she will be like, anything will be fine for her. So I was like, okay, I don't have to waste my time, and I don't like shopping so much, so everything will be finished.
She does not like you.
She does not like me. Yeah.
No.
See, the strategy part is very difficult to talk in front of a side.
And you, why I chose amusement park, because you will be so hilarious commenting about everything that you see on the way. Because if I go on a movie date, I will miss that part of her. So if
you'll disturb.
yes,
That's
so
fine.
I'll be disturbed. So for a movie date, like as I told you in my introduction, she can be a girl
Of course, in movie I'm very serious.
Yes, she can be a girl.
Give her
crush,
two, she'll be serious.
You usually want to go to a movie date with your crush, right? She is not, but in a general, I'm just
Give
explaining.
her a bucket of popcorn, she'll be quiet.
Yes.
Cheese popcorn, which cheese? Don't miss that.
Also, I finished.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
I want to. I think I won. I want to know.
I won.
Who's asking?
And I think it's my turn.
Yeah.
Again,
Any one bad habit about your ex?
I don't have an ex.
Okay.
I don't have.
Fake. Okay.
I don't have an ex.
I say for
If you are, comment.
Okay. Oh my god.
There's no ex in my life.
All the exes.
Next.
Okay, so why do you like to watch BL dramas?
Why do I like to watch BL drama? Because I want to see a lot of boys without any girls. Even though I believe in girl empowerment, when it comes to a drama, I prefer the guys.
So tell me about yourself. 2 lines.
2 lines or 2 words?
Paragraph for you.
2 lines? Okay. 2 lines. A power packed house who can be silly, sweet, sour, bitter, anything you want, you will be served that way.
whenever she is souring, I remember
Just need to keep one thing in mind.
a distracted soul. Listen to her shower.
Listen to me.
2-in-1 shampoo. That thing. You're only doing 1-in-1. Do 2-in-1.
Okay. Yeah. You will.
I can hurt you, I can heal you.
Yes. I can hurt you. I can.
Hey, this is a drama. Kill me, heal me.
Yeah. I can kill you. I can heal you as well. Done.
So one habit or thing you never want to see in your boyfriend.
One habit I don't want to see in my boyfriend. I think I already answered this question.
I think I asked you.
You asked me the same thing. He has to be a good listener.
Which BL actor do you want to date?
Which BL actor I want to date? Sorry,
Actually, said Yagi, you say it.
I only think one guy at a time, even though I like a lot of them. When it comes to romantic stuff, I only believe in one thing at a time, even though it's a celebrity crush. So no BL for me. I love to watch them with each other. I like sipping them.
You made me select what you have to select one.
Okay, if I have to select one, then fine, I'll select. You know that Meta Win from Together?
Oh, together. Oh.
The Win guy. Yeah, I'll choose him.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Who's asking next? Okay, you're gonna ask me next?
Anywhere else,
Or her?
I'll pick movies.
Okay, you're gonna ask me.
Okay, first question. If you had 3 wishes, what would you wish for?
3 wishes. To go anywhere I like, to be with anyone I want to, and to disappear someone whenever I like.
Okay. Is that me? That you? Okay, next thing. What is the first thing you do after you wake up in the morning?
First thing I do, yes, I check my phone.
We're so much into this modality. No?
Yeah.
You just won $10,000. What would you do with the money?
$10,000, it means okay, I'm not gonna convert in episode. Few days ago I watched this thing in YouTube. competitive spirit is on the floor. That's why I'm
Drop in your
answering
CV. Create an email. How many questions did I shoot?
Three.
Okay. If you could time travel, where would you go?
Time travel, of course. If I could time travel, I would go back to when I was in my childhood and relive it again because I love my childhood. I was a princess.
Okay.
She was noted. She was not.
Now the last question. How do you comfort yourself after a terrible, horrible, no good, very bad day?
After bed, I'll go straight to my bed, have a hot shower, go straight to the bed.
In the bed and have shower.
No. Have a shower and then go to bed.
Akal use karo be.
She's like, I'll go to my bed. Have a hot
So that I have to shower
She's
first.
saying because she knows we're smart. Yeah.
Yeah, true. Thank you.
I want to pull her leg. That is my
No. This is my rapid round, please. Okay. This is distracting me. Poglai.
She's scary cat. She's hungry cat.
Okay. The first thing, I'll take a shower and I'll straight go to bed and I'll start watching my BL and BTS thing.
Done.
Okay, next Nandini. Rapid fire for you. I'm expecting a lot from Baba.
Crushing responsibility on her.
Okay. Your punchline for a matrimonial site.
My punchline. You get beauty with brains.
Beauty with brain. Okay, next. Since you caricature a lot, answer as Sunita. Me. Why are you still single? And why do you love BTS? So you have to answer as me.
It is not because I'm liking them for the handsome faces. It's because of the lyrics they say. You know, it is so good. And in a point of my life when it was so hard for me, they saved me. And that is why we like. It's not because of the looks that I like BTS. It's because of the lyrics that get so, touching to me. And what is it you're asking?
Why am I still single?
Still single because I don't need a man to complete me.
This one is outstanding.
So that was me.
Yes.
You are
And I don't know how you turn on into that thing all at once.
so easily.
I remember you.
Okay, my third question for you. Your one all-time favorite guilty pleasure.
Chips. Potato chips.
Oh, I should have except for food.
Except for food. Okay. Watching illegal things at night.
Watching illegal sites at night? Okay. You got the point. Okay. Just friends, marry and kill one of us. Just friends, marry and kill one of us.
Oh, just friends, marry, kill.
I knew you'd choose me as married.
Why am I being killed?
I'm being such a bad influence among guys. Like every girl is choosing me for date and for marry.
No, I'll give you a reason for that. Why? Just friends because I think we're not that compatible. Marry because of course killing it's not your fault, it's my fault. I have short temper. Someone I can kill you maybe that one day. That's why.
So that much love she has for me.
Okay, next. If you get to choose to be born as someone in your next life, who would it be and why?
No, I would like to burn myself. I'm already done with this shit. Rather don't want to be I want to be a stone next life. I don't want to come on this earth again. Too much suffering for me. Yes.
Let's give her a big round of applause for her. It was good.
Top.
Love yourself. Love yourself. That's how we're meeting.
So tell me how many boys you have dated till now?
How many
Boys? How many boys you have dated till now?
I've never dated in my life.
So tell me something that you don't like about me.
Nice question.
You're so silent.
Okay, nice answer.
I try to be. Okay. Next question. Can you share us the best incident that you have you have done in your school life?
Best incident when I was selected as the captain and the performing arts captain twice in my school. And when I was called on the stage to get that badge.
She's flaunting it now.
Okay, so can you tell me?
Finally found a place to flaunt it.
So can you tell me about your dark secret? Can you say any dark secret of yours?
Dark secret.
Only dark.
Which level ma dark you want? Which level dark? I betrayed my friend.
Oh my God. You betrayed your friend?
Because she became bitchy to me, that's why.
Okay.
Last question. Your recent celebrity crush?
Oh, Yagi, you say the guy from My Beautiful Man, the Japanese guy. He's also from the band Fantastics. Follow him.
Oh my God. She's
Finish.
promoting her crush.
He has a video also. Yesterday saw. Hi everyone, I'm Yagi. You say. I was like, oh, gari gari arte the bus I'm English bolego kya ho?
And he's Japanese.
And he spoke so nicely. That's why. Oh, finished, I think.
I guess this, just now I got one question and I remembered you. This question should be for you.
Oh, Baba.
So the first question is, if you could only eat one thing for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Noodles.
No. Wow. If you could travel to one of the planets, which planet would you go to?
Mars.
Okay. If you could live anyone's life for a week, who would it be?
Oh, BTS Jungkook.
What was your most embarrassing memory in short?
There are a lot of embarrassing memories.
Okay,
My
one
God.
very short.
When I peed, in my school uniform when I was really young.
Very, very genuine. Okay, so if you want to change your name, just in case you get a chance to change your name, what would be your next name, like you would wish for?
Sakura. It means cherry blossoms in Japanese.
Oh my God! Did you prepare? Did you read my mind? You're so being rapid. Okay.
This is sad.
What is one thing you'd like to cross off your bucket list?
Travel to South Korea.
Okay, fine. I'm done.
Now we have to announce the winner. Oh my God. Okay. We have to choose first anonymously. So we're gonna get a note for each one of us. And we're gonna write the name of the person who do you think deserve to win. So, and please don't write your own name.
We'll get one pen, one turn.
Okay, yes.
Not be too demanding.
Yes, let's not be too demanding. I'm gonna write.
Right fast.
Okay, next.
And don't be very friendship types, okay? Just be genuine while giving the...
I'll be honest.
I don't know why I'm laughing my heart in this answer. Okay, fine. So, what are we supposed to do after this? We're going to wrap it and then pick it up.
No, I think we have to say.
We have to keep it here, okay, in this glass. So it's gets anonymous. So put it here.
Tell him to vote as well. Tapni vote karo.
Okay. What? We can't one vote from our very own behind the scenes guy. So one from you as well. Because he has been listening to us throughout. So he did
And I'm so happy that he has a smile on the face. He's completely entertained. And I hope public is also getting will get that entertainment.
Okay, you're gonna write the name and then put here.
Just one name, anyone. Because you're looking at us, how we are speaking, how we are giving out.
I'm gonna read down. Yes. So any suspense, like
I don't know why. I just expect like she's going to
me?
Yeah, because she's a Leo. See, I am a horoscopic everywhere.
Oh, why?
I don't know why. I mind that too. I'd be like inner me is saying it's
Okay, the first vote. The first vote goes to Jisoo. Okay. The second vote goes to again. Nandini. Okay. What if nobody writes my name?
oh shit.
Oh my God.
Nandini.
It's your
No, I think she wins. She got 2 votes.
Really fast.
yeah.
Nobody writes my name. Sharon. Pooja.
Okay. Is there one?
Yes, there's one more.
That's
It's
not
initial.
That's not the
Initial. Now initial has been said already.
Oh, initial merit too.
Yeah.
It's Nandini.
Yeah, I would think that's not.
This is Nandini.
Oh my god.
So the winner is Nandini. Now, the good part of winning is you get to give each one of us a day.
And she was expecting that and she got it.
Yes. She was expecting. 3 of us voted her.
That's what. See? Be generous.
Wait, he voted? Yeah, he voted as well.
Hi.
You voted who? I voted you.
Oh. Anyways, no problem.
Really fast.
Yes. Okay. So what daring would you give us, each one of us?
Just give me easy one.
Do you have time to think? We can do that in episode number 2.
Because I don't think about dares.
Okay.
But you think you want to give a dare to me?
No, I was like, if suppose somebody else was the winner and to be dared, you could be. I'm personally trying to.
Okay. So
Okay.
the winner is Nandini and she is going to give us a dare. And what it is, we don't know. I think she's gonna think a lot about it
Really
and give us a hard time.
Easy, simple one.
I don't want to give a dare.
We will do that for the second round. We will do that in the second video.
Personally cannot do dare, so I don't want to make.
Okay.
When you get a chance, you shouldn't lose it.
Okay. Let's do a wrapping down. I think that's all for today. Before wrapping up, I think we have to mention something before we leave. A big thank you to the behind the person guy whose name is Mr. Avas Rana.
Include your Cobra here.
Yes, I want him to come in front of us and actually say something, but I know you don't want to. So I would like to mention him, thanking him for such a short notice he came and such a help for us and did all this behind the scene thing. I'm very grateful. We have been friends for so long and I'm so glad that still that friendship is strong and still I'm his very good friend. It's very rare in these times, right? Thank you, Abbas. Thank you, Niranjan. So this video is actually to celebrate girl in general, to celebrate our own gender, and also when 2 or 3 girls sits in one place, everybody's thinking, oh, they might be gossiping about anything. We heard that a lot when we sit together and make laugh of each other, pull each other's legs. I want to tell those person who thinks that girls are just for gossips. Actually, we are not. We are pulling each other legs. That's what we do, right?
Yeah.
And we're laughing
talking about us.
on our own. We're not laughing anyone. So girls out there who can relate to us, please celebrate yourself. Find yourself special because you are. So I think that's going to be a wrap, and I would like to ask our other friend Jishu to actually put something else.
Okay, fine. Guys, don't expect too serious kind of wrapping up like she did in the intro. So basically, like everything she has mentioned in the intro, except our group name, that's like Daring Girls, and I think you pretty know how we are. And we are very genuine actually. We're not like faking things and all, and we are not trying to try to disrespect anyone's feelings or emotions. She has mentioned everything, and I think this we started. It's our first project, a very small project. Like first thing we are doing it together. So I think this is also a message to especially girls to boost up their confidence. Right?
Yeah.
We are not any professional people. Like we're just who we are. And it's not necessary that you need to belong to a very high class or you need to belong to a royal family to be filming interview or something like that. It's just like, since we are in a present generation and we are Gen Z, so we are utilizing that thing. I hope you guys like it, and thanks to all my friends who planned up these things, and we're having a lot of fun. And thank you so much, the one behind us who will definitely make us look prettier, more attractive. Editing with the editing, so that many viewers and many good comments we are going to see in future. And of course, the place where we are at is a City Lights Bistro, very good and cozy environment, and we are we're feeling like we are somewhere else.
Right, true.
Okay, so do come here and enjoy. And if you're excited, then the faster you comment, the faster you like, the faster our next episode is going to come soon.
I think it's gonna be the description
Yes.
box.
Okay. So bye bye.
everyone. Bye. Thank you for watching. And okay, moving on. And one more thing I forgot to mention in my intro, that we forgot to mention our name of the show.
You did that.
Because I was too much into the introduction. Okay. The name of our show would be. Okay. Shall we announce like together?
Yeah.
One, two, three. Candid Coffee with Daring Girls. So
I forgot Candid.
What's your gift?
Now I realize celebrity like कस्तो हुन्छ.
I'm scared. It was very easy to comment on others.
That's what I said.
Very different
But she asked me different, very.
Our question is not rapid answer. What do you think?
Yes, I know.
Now I realize celebrity like कस्तो हुन्छ. We keep judging TV. के बोले होला? Okay. म भाग्यो पनि थाक्यो भन्नु. Now I